Welcome to CAD Solutions. Training for Excellence. In this video we will explore the most widely used softwares in the current automotive industry which increase job opportunities. Let's start. UGNX and CATIA V5 are two of the most widely used software programs in the current automotive industry. They are both powerful design tools that can be used to design and manufacture complex products. UGNX is known for its robust modeling capabilities and its ability to handle large assemblies. It is also popular for its user-friendly interface and its wide range of features. CATIA V5 is known for its advanced surface modeling capabilities and its ability to create realistic renderings. It is also popular for its integration with other Dassault Systèmes software programs, such as ENOVIA and SIMULIA. Both UGNX and CATIA V5 are used by some of the biggest names in the automotive industry, including Ford, General Motors, and Toyota. They are also used by many smaller companies and suppliers. Benefits of learning UGNX and CATIA V5. Increased job opportunities. UGNX and CATIA V5 are in high demand in the automotive industry. Learning these software programs can make you more competitive in the job market. Higher salary potential. Employees who are proficient in UGNX and CATIA V5 typically earn higher salaries than those who are not. Ability to work on cutting-edge projects. UGNX and CATIA V5 are used to design and manufacture some of the most advanced vehicles in the world. Learning these software programs will give you the opportunity to work on cutting-edge projects that are making a real difference in the world. Increased creativity. UGNX and CATIA V5 give you the tools to create complex and innovative designs. Improved problem-solving skills. Learning to use UGNX and CATIA V5 will teach you how to solve complex engineering problems. Enhanced teamwork skills. UGNX and CATIA V5 are often used by teams of engineers to design and manufacture products. Learning to use these software programs will help you to collaborate effectively with others. If you are interested in a career in the automotive industry, join CAD. CAD Solutions is a leading provider of design training in Pune, India. They offer a variety of courses on UGNX and CATIA V5, from beginner to advanced levels. Benefits of joining CAD Solutions. 1. Industry-oriented training. 2. Flexible batch schedules. 3. Focus on practical application. 4. Experienced and knowledgeable faculty. 5. Comprehensive and up-to-date curriculum. 6. Supportive and collaborative learning environment. 7. 98% placement record.